The federal government has disclosed plans to build additional 38 oxygen plants at strategic areas in the country. This was disclosed by the Minister of Health, Dr. Osagie Ehanire, at the second ministerial press briefing to give an update on the COVID-19 pandemic in Abuja. Dr. Osagie said the additional oxygen plant is part of measures put in place to reduce the rate of infection in the country. He further highlighted measures put in place to tackle the Delta variant challenge.
We are facing a challenge that has hit the rest of the world very seriously, and that is the Delta variant and also other variants which are emerging, which, as we know, the Delta variant is more than 60% more intransmissible, that is to say more infectious than the Alpha variant, or the first one we used to have from what they call the wild COVID-19 virus.
Are now able to carry out genomic sequencing, which then tells us what variants are circulating and the importance of that in terms of the response. We're working very hard to mitigate the impact of this variant of concern.
On his part, the Executive Director of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, NPHCDA, Dr. Faisal Shuabu, who disclosed plans to roll out the second phase of the COVID-19 vaccination, assured of the safety of the vaccine, especially as they have been subjected to routine check by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC.
This is the same thing that we're going to be doing in the second phase in tracking the Moderna, but NAFDAC has given us the go-ahead to use the Moderna vaccine. So there is no doubt whatsoever about the quality of the Moderna vaccines that were going to be used.
We are also tracking and tracing the vaccines. The Covishield or the AstraZeneca that came, we started the tracking from primary health cold store in near the airport. And we monitor them throughout the country. NAFDAC is the only regulatory agency in the world that has used tracking and tracing technology to monitor vaccine, and we use the COVID-19 vaccine as a pilot.
As the second phase of the COVID-19 vaccination is expected to be flagged off on 16th August 2021, Nigerians have been advised to take seriously the non-pharmaceutical measures as established, as well as maintain good hygiene. Palang Booker, CNA News.